In today's video, we are going to be learning how to recreate this 3D flower sleeve. As you can see in the picture, we are going to try to do that. Hello, welcome back to Jegalia Apparel. If you're yet to subscribe to this channel, please do that. Thank you. Okay, so I got this flower from the market at Idumota. It was good, but the good wasn't shiny, so I had to buy this good spray. And I had to spray it on it, left it for a few minutes to dry up. Alright, so now for us to start making the flower, this is the one I already made. As you can see, I bought satin ribbon. I bought a gold color satin ribbon, and I took off all the flowers. You can see I had to detach it from the stem. Okay, so now we are going to start making that. You can also use hot gum for it if that is what you prefer. So I bought copper wire, okay, for beading. I have a copper wire, and as you can see, this is the copper wire. Because it was too thin, I had to merge. For the main one that I used for the sleeve, I merged 4 wires together. The length of the sleeve I needed was 14 inches, so that was what I measured, and that's what I used for to measure the copper wire as well. So I measured 14, and for the bias I measured 1.5. So that's the length of the bias, and I'm going to cut as many as possible. Right, I'm going to cut as many as possible. 1.5, that's 1.5 inches. Okay, and then as you just watch what I am doing, you will get it. I'm going to cut it. It's going to look like a flower form. All right, just the way, you know, the way a leaf is. Let me use the word leaf, not flower. The way a leaf appears. So that's what I'm going to do. So I'm just going to try to cut as many as possible. So please just watch what I'm doing. You will definitely get it. So just cut it that way as much as possible. That will be needed. Okay, so and I applied a little gum at the edge. Can you see? Just the edge, and then fold it together. All right, so just do as many as possible. I had to do some off camera because I didn't want the video to be too long as well. Now the one I used for the tip, okay, I applied a gum in the middle, right? So, and placed it like that. Okay, so please just watch what I'm doing. You will get it. You will surely get it. So that's for the one that will be at the edge, top of the copper wire. Then you start wrapping the leaf on the copper wire, as you can see me doing. Alright, so I started wrapping the flowers, the leaves rather, around the copper wire, as you can see me doing. So just watch me. So for the main one I used for the leaf, that's the sleeve, which is the 14 inches, because I cut several copper wires, which I'm going to show you as you watch. Okay, so for the 14 inches copper wire that I cut, you're going to fill the flower. You fill it up with flour, okay, and then you're going to cut another one that's about 7 to 8 inches long, and then wrap the flowers on it. So I used wrapped like 4-5 branches of flowers on it. That's for the 7 to 8 inches length copper wire. Now can you see I've wrapped as many as possible to form the leaf. Now we're going to start taking the shorter ones, which is the 7 to 8 inches long, and we'll wrap it on the 14 inches, which is the one that's going to go around the sleeve itself. All right, so I'm going to start wrapping. Just start creating spaces. You can make like 2 inches, leave 2 inches allowance, and then wrap the copper wire around the longer copper wire. All right, so you're going to just make that. Okay, so please just watch me. So you just leave like 2 inches space before wrapping another one, as much as possible. Just make it to be full so that by the end of it, it becomes full. Now with what you are seeing right now, you can see that it's a bit scanty, so I did 2 types, okay, 2 different types, then joined it together. Now after making as much as possible that I need, it depends on what you are trying to achieve, so I took it outside and then sprayed on it. You can see that the color is different from the flower that you can see that I've already sprayed. Okay, so after spraying, I left it out to dry, and this is it. It's even stronger than what it was before. Can you see the color? This is exactly what I needed for it, and it gave me the perfect color. So we're going to start joining this together now. That's 14 inches too. I know I told you I did 2. So we're going to start twisting it together. You know, it's copper wire and it's very flexible, very light, so it's easy for you to twist together to form one. So you can add 3, 4 depending on what you want. Okay, you can add as much as possible, but this is the effect you are going to get at the end of the day. The flower is looking stronger, it's looking so beautiful. So we're going to start attaching this bigger flower on it. Okay, so I used the gum. So I applied the gum and placed the bigger flower on it, as you can see. Later on when it dried, because I left it to dry for some minutes, then afterward I used the invisible thread to sew it so that it does not remove afterwards. You know, sometimes you use gum and it can actually remove, but I had to use invisible thread to sew it in so that the thread does not show. As you can see, it's looking so beautiful already. So just watch what I'm doing and you will be able to do the same. Confidential, Jegalia style. We make you glow from Lego streets to the world we go. Fashion and beauty, you already know. Jegalia, confidential, Jegalia style, we make you glow. From Lego streets to where we go. Fashion and beauty, you already know. Jegalia beauty, we feel glow inside. About fresh, confidential, Jegalia style, we make you glow. From Lego streets to where we go. Fashion and beauty, you already know. And our flower is ready. Can you see how beautiful it is? It's ready for us to start using. It's ready. We are going to start attaching this on the outfit right now, and here we are going to attach this right now on this beaded outfit. You can see I already hand beaded this outfit, and I'm going to attach this flower on it. So I also used an invisible thread because I didn't want it to show at all. Confidential, Jegalia style, we make you glow from Lego streets to the world we go. Fashion and beauty, you already know. Jegalia, Jegalia, may your glow, Jegalia. They're about fresh, confidential, Jegalia style, we make you glow. From Lego streets to where we go. Fashion and beauty, you already know. And the dress is ready. Can you see how beautiful it's looking? Just look at this, and you have your 3D flower handmade ready. All right, so can you see how beautiful it is? Can you see that it complements the bead on the dress? Now this is it, so that you can have a closer look. All right, so this is how it's looking. Alright, so thank you. If you're here to subscribe to this channel, please do that, like this video, share it. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.